Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday, March 2nd, and here I am with another vlog. I actually uploaded a vlog yesterday. If you haven't seen it, I'll link it somewhere in this video or it'll be down below as usual. But yeah, how have you guys been? I will say my previous vlog was kind of thrown together. Yeah, it was just some footage that I had hanging with my friends that weekend, so it was definitely thrown together. But I am trying to get my routine up with the vlogging. So like I said, it is Friday and it's about 4:12 right now. I'm just getting home from work. As you see, I'm in work clothes. As usual, I don't have any concrete plans for the weekend. I'm actually really tired. I don't know why I'm so tired. Yeah, like I was good this morning, and then like this last half of my day I just felt like a sleepy spell come over me. So I'm trying to shake that right now. It's been raining for the past 2 days, so that kind of sucks. I think it's supposed to stop tonight and tomorrow. Oh, actually I think it's supposed to stop tomorrow. I don't know. But yeah, I'm supposed to meet up with some friends. We were going to meet up and go have wine and just kind of brainstorm some ideas. Honestly, we have all, I don't want to say we have all, but a lot of my friends, my good personal friends, I feel like we all kind of been in the dumps lately. Like, we're at an age, like I just turned 27 back in October. So we're all kind of at that age where it's like we've moved past the age of working towards the goal, and we should kind of be a little more set in the goal. And I feel like none of us are, you know, completely happy and content with where we're at right now. We all work regular like 9-to-5 jobs, and not to downplay people with 9-to-5 jobs, because 9-to-5 jobs have been supporting me for the past 5 years. But I will say that, I don't know, the older you get and the more you kind of get into a schedule, and when you work like a regular 9-to-5 job, you lose a lot of your creativity in a sense. And like, I don't know, for the last couple of years I've been feeling it a lot. Life has just been very repetitive. Like, you wake up in the morning, you go to work, you come home, you eat dinner, you take a shower, you go to bed, you wake up, you do it again. And none of us are making like, you know, none of us are in like 6-figure careers right now. So we're all just kind of like in a place where all of my friends are very intelligent. We all possess different talents, and I feel like all of us could be doing more than what we're currently doing. So yeah, we're supposed to meet up and just kind of brainstorm some ideas. I just know there's more out there for us, and I feel like a lot of people in my age group can kind of relate to it. Like, for me, it's a whole backstory. I don't want to say it's a whole backstory, but like, I mean, I haven't had like a super hard life where I just experienced like a bunch of hardships. Like, for the most part, I grew up and I had a decent childhood. I don't say decent, I had a good childhood. And, you know, I went to college right after high school. Took me about 5 years to complete. But what I will say is that throughout my whole college career, I was set in one career path. And after I graduated, it just kind of didn't work out. And I've been doing hair and stuff all my life, pretty much, like since I think I had my first client when I was like in middle school. But it's always been kind of more of like a hobby and taking the back road. And then once my career path didn't plan out after college, I actually applied for cosmetology school. I had a start date. Everything was set up, and then when I went to have my financial aid meeting, that's when everything kind of went downhill. I have so many student loans just from getting my bachelor's degree, and basically I couldn't afford to, it's not even that I couldn't afford, like the government wouldn't allow me to take out any more loans for school. Like, after that, like, I just kind of fell into, your average day-to-day work life. But like I said, after a while, it's just gotten really repetitive, and I feel like I'm kind of stagnant right now, and I'm not really working towards anything. I'm just working, and yeah, it's just not moving forward. So that's kind of where I know a lot of people my age, and like a lot of people that I talk to, we're kind of all in that same kind of boat. I'm not like, I don't want anybody to take this message and think that I'm like depressed and that I'm like sad and stuff. Like, for the most part, I know that I'm very blessed, I'm very fortunate, and I do live a really comfortable life that I know a lot of people would like to live. My life's not perfect, but I know that where I'm at, there's a lot of people who would love to be in my shoes. So I'm never going to be ungrateful for what I have, but obviously I definitely want more for my life, and I want to do it while I'm still semi-young. So yeah, that's what my Friday night is about. Probably going to try to vlog a little when I go out with my friends, depending on if we go, honestly, because they never gave me a time. Yeah, you guys are probably wondering, my hair. This is actually really old hair. This hair is 2 years old. It's from one of my favorite vendors. I do have a link. I will be uploading a video about it because I did kind of like bring it back to life and spruce it up. I recolored it and stuff like that, and I did film that process. So I'm going to try to have that video up this weekend. I'm also going to try to have another hair video up this weekend because I'm probably taking this out either tonight or tomorrow, just because I'm over it. Now I'm just rambling, so I'm going to relax for a little bit, see what the plans are for tonight, and then I'll jump back on camera before I leave. So good morning, everybody. It's Saturday, March 3rd. Yeah, so just checking back in. We did not end up going out last night. Like I mentioned yesterday, the weather was terrible. It was raining. We were all just kind of tired from a long week, so we rescheduled for today. So we're definitely going to meet up today and do what I said we were going to do last night. It's about 9:20 right now. I am deep conditioning my hair. I just uploaded a video, so I'll link this video. The video here, it was about the curly hair that I had installed yesterday. I washed, and now I'm deep conditioning my hair, and then I'm going to film another hair video for you guys today. So that's what's on the schedule for now. Actually getting ready to make me some breakfast because I'm hungry. Hey guys, so it is Saturday night. My friend is actually outside in the Uber, not even in the Uber, she's waiting in her car. We're getting ready to get this Uber. We're on our way to the wine place. I'm honestly not feeling my outfit too much, but I'll show you guys what I have on. It's really cold outside. I hate winter. I can't wait for it to be over. But I have on my mustard jacket again, which I was going to put on my pea coat. I don't know, I just felt too covered up. But I have on this mustard jacket. It's from Zara. I've had it in another vlog before. I have this choker sweater that I got from Target. I have on some denim blue jeans, which are from Boohoo. And then I have on these little sparkly loafers. They are Island Rivera, is that what it's called? I don't know, but I got them off ASOS. And then I have this purse here, which I ordered off ASOS too. I'm not sure of the brand. But this is my outfit. I'm honestly not feeling it too much, but my friends are waiting on me, so I'm gonna roll with it. I did film a video on my hair. It's just a little ponytail look. This is kind of what held me up and the reason I'm in the situation I am in now. But yeah, I need to get my Uber and then I'm gonna be on my way. I'm gonna try to vlog while we're out and I'll check in with you guys in a minute.
Glasses are empty.
Time for a refill.
Misha's glasses are empty.
Snatched by Sharmel though.
Okay, yeah, I did her makeup earlier. Give them a twirl.
I didn't make it, so I just look hella basic.
It's like I got a basic face too.
Hella basic. It's hella making it do what it do. I don't got no wig or nothing.
Me either.
And then, you know, I can't get it to lay down like you do, so I gotta wear a hat. And then, I was like, fuck it, I put the part in the middle. I'm like, ain't nobody gonna see it. Nobody gonna see it. Nobody gonna see it. The part is in the middle. Oh my gosh. What's up, Sharmel? Hey. Should I ask you questions or no?
No, please don't.
Okay. No, I feel like
I'm just making sure. What you feel like?
When you was doing mine, I felt like I was like the bloopers, the outtakes, because I was just acting for this shit, and then all of us was like, say this. Yes, that is all. There you go. Thank you.
Hacienda. I'll take it.
Thank you. We're vlogging. I fucking drowned. You don't know how to swim still? Oh my god.
Look at you. Let me. You got the boots on?
These my mama's shoes.
Okay, Rhythm Nation.
Don't get me. Where we going?
I don't know. We're going to Lucas because I need some oysters.
Do they got mac and cheese?
They got mac and cheese balls.
What they got?
Nigga, they got food. It's like a little club too.
But I don't look club right.
Me either. I got Michael Jackson shoes.
Do I look club?
Look, I look like I got
pajamas on. I want a fucking ball cap.
I got on Michael Jackson shoes and they hella long.
Trilla.
Look cold out here.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna get food from this one little spot because I want my oysters.
And I want mac and cheese. Yeah.
It's so cold out here, but it's so nice. We bought a water. Oop, oop, oop. Shut the fuck. First of all, I call front seat. I call front. Nigga, I always drive. I'm sitting in the front.
I'm hungry.
Well, it's already digged out, but you might have to scoop it a little bit to move it.
Slurp it?
Go. You so dramatic.
Why you order this shit? That's so nasty.
It's good. Wipe your mouth. Wipe your mouth.
My nigga got eat it already.
It just looks disgusting.
Why did you eat it like that?
I don't know what to do.
Today is Sunday. My lighting is off, really off right now. I don't know what's up with my camera, but yeah, today is Sunday. Me and my friends, we had a really good time last night. You know, we went to a little wine spot and we just talked amongst each other, and just very encouraging conversation. And yeah, that's what that was. We went to eat afterwards, and then we ended up ending the night pretty early. I was home by 11. So yeah, now it's Sunday. I went to church this morning, and then I have a client. She's on her way now, and that's pretty much it for today. So I'm probably going to close this vlog out here. Yeah, hopefully I'll be able to get this video up tonight. Keep my fingers crossed, but if not, it'll be up within the next 2 days. I did do a tutorial on this hairstyle. I don't know how my footage came out because my mode wasn't right when I did my hair yesterday when I filmed it, but we'll see how that comes out. And yeah, I think that's it. I hope you all enjoyed this vlog. I hope you guys are just enjoying my channel overall. I know I've gotten a lot of new subscribers recently. Welcome. Thank you much for subscribing. And to my older subscribers, I really appreciate you guys more than you know. It's a new week. Get ready for work tomorrow, like I said. And yeah, now I'm rambling on. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you don't see my videos, or you're noticing you're not seeing my videos pop up on your feed, make sure you hit that little bell down in the corner so you can stay up to date. And until next weekend, bye.